Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to approve time off in Time Doctor. Okay, now the first thing that I need you to do is make sure you at least had the settings to let people request time off. So you just come here quickly, click on settings, click on company settings. Okay, then here you click on permissions, make sure this one is toggled on, allow regular users to request leave time and schedules. Okay, then what you basically need to do here, you'll see approvals, right? Click on approvals. You'll see all the people that have requested, time off, anything that is required to be approved. You just come here, right? You change the status from approval pending, okay? And then you just choose approved, just like that. You choose that one, and now the time has been approved for that user. Really that easy, and that is how to approve time off in Time Doctor.